welcome back to Charm Love by Carolyn. To any new subscribers, thank you so much for your subscription, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. Today, Charm Fam, I am going to be showing you some things I ordered from goodybeads.com, which, if anyone doesn't know, is a website that has all kinds of jewelry making supplies, checked glass beads, Dakota stones, and of course tiara casts. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I'm just going to go get this unpackaged and I'll be right back. Alright, Charm Fam, I'm back. Now, come to find out, because I did place two orders roughly at the same time, I was thinking they were going to send them separately, but they actually sent both of them in the same package. So we're just going to go through one package first, and then we're going to go through the other one. Okay, Charm Fam. First thing we have this 1.3 millimeter Dusty Rose leather cording, and it was $1.95. It was a great sale going on at Goody Beads, mind you. And yeah, this was $1.95, and I got two of these. Take it out the package for you. I always have trouble getting these packages open, Charm Fam, all the time. All right, there we go. Yeah, that's the Dusty Rose leather cording in 1.3 millimeter size, and I have two of those. All right, Charm Fam, next up we have the Petite Jesus fish bead interchangeable. They come in a set of 3, and they were $1.20, and I ordered 2 sets. Yeah, that is what it looks like. It's a real thick bead with a really nice hole. Yeah, I like it a lot, and I will be doing a video, an informational video, giving you just a little bit of information about it. I think I mentioned this in one of my previous videos some time back. Yeah, so now I have it, and I'll be giving you all some information on it. All right, Charm Fam, up next we have this floral barrel bead for 2 millimeter leather, and they come 1 bead a piece. I ordered 13, and these were on sale for 39 cents each. And yet again, they have that nice big hole that fits over 2 millimeter leather. All right, Charm Fam, next we have 10 millimeter clear hard glass beads. They come 10 a pack. They were on sale for 48 cents, and I got 4 packs of them. They're just a little crystal clear bead that is drilled straight across the top. Yeah, very cute. And yes, they were on sale for 48 cents a piece. All right, Charm Fam, here we have 1.3 millimeter red leather cording, and it was $1.95, and I ordered 2 of them. It's just simple, nice, soft leather cording. Yeah, and they have these on sale, y'all. So go pick you up a couple. Next, Charm Fam, we have a yin yang slider charm. They're sold individually, 1 charm, and they were on sale for 90 cents, and I got 6 of them with the little rhinestones. Feng Shui. Yeah, and they're sliders, so they'll make pretty focals, little focals, or or whatever. Yeah, there you go. Next, charm fam, we have these beautiful wisteria slider charms. They are sold individually. They were 90 cents and I got 6 of them. All right, charm fam, next we have 1.5 millimeter natural blue round leather cord, a 10 millimeter spool. And this is from Leather Cord USA. Like, this is the best leather to get. All right, charm fam, and the last thing that we have in this shipment is a piece of 10 millimeter leather with gold flat embossed leather. That's a small piece. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, and I ordered 2, but I only received 1. But yeah, it's very pretty. I wish they had more of it. I wish I could get a longer piece. But yeah, this is what I ordered, and I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll figure it out. All right, charm fam, now this was the last item in this shipment. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and I'll be right back with my next order. All right, charm fam, this is the starting of my next order. These are 21 by 12 millimeter antique copper honeycomb links by Tierra Cast. Now, all of this I'm going to show you right now will be by Tierra Cast, and I ordered 4, and they were 89 cents a piece. And I ordered them in these 3 colors. I ordered the antique copper, the silver, and the gold. All right, charm fam, here we have 13 by 8 millimeter antique silver lotus petal charm by Tierra Cast. And I also have this antique gold looking one also by Tierra Cast. This one I ordered 3, and this one I ordered, I think, 8. Yeah. And these also were on sale for 89 cents a piece. All right, charm fam, up next we have these 11 by 15 millimeter brass oxidized Chinese Lu charms by Tierra Cast. I ordered 4 of them, and they were 79 cents each, and they are also double-sided. Next up, charm fam, we have these beautiful 11 by 11 millimeter antique silver small honeybee charms by Tierra Cast. And I ordered 2 of them, and they were 99 cents a piece. All right, charm fam, these are 12 millimeter antique honeybee charms by Tierra Cast. We have our silver, we have our antique copper, and we have our antique gold. Now, these were also on sale. These 2 were $1.09. This one right here was $1.19, and I ordered 2 of each. Next, charm fam, we have these 16 by 17 millimeter brass oxidized butterfly links by Tierra Cast. They were $1.49, and I ordered 2 of them. Next, charm fam, we have these 10 millimeter bright gold plated crescent moon charms by Tierra Cast. They were 59 cents, and I ordered 6 of them. Turn them over so you can see them a little bit better because they're really tiny. Yeah. Next, Charm Fam, we have the same 10 millimeter. This time they're in the bright silver plated Crescent Moon charms by Tiara Cast, and I ordered 9 of them. Alright, Charm Fam, and the last items in the order for today are these 10 millimeter brass oxide and bright gold full moon charms by Tiara Cast. They were on sale for 59 cents each, and I ordered 6 of each color. Alright, Charm Fam, and that was the last items in my order today. Thank you so very much, my Charm Fam. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Thank you for stopping by, just letting me spend a little bit of my day with you all and showing you all the little goodies that I got. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you have not already. Turn on your post notifications so you will be notified when I upload a video. And until next time, Charm Fam, much love to you all, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye.